So today is all about thyroid health. And did you know that the standard thyroid tests don't really tell you the full story of what's going on with your thyroid? So when we look at the essential tests that your doctor probably isn't checking but should be, we're going to see how things look from a functional medicine perspective. So thyroid health is more about just a number on a lab report. It's really about understanding how your thyroid's functioning and what all goes into that, because you have thyroid receptors on every cell in your body. So conventional medicine often relies on thyroid stimulating hormone, or TSH, which actually doesn't even happen in the thyroid. It happens in the brain, and it's a signal from brain to thyroid. So what that does is it just looks at a number. Is it high? Is it low? And they usually diagnose off of that. So when we dive deeper and we look into things like free T3 and free T4, what those tests do is they measure the active levels of thyroid hormones available in your body. And they're really crucial because they tell us not only what's being produced, but what's actually available for your cells to use. So when we understand these levels, we can help identify issues like conversion problems, where your body really struggles to convert T4 into the more active T3 hormone. Now we're going to talk about reverse T3. So it's like your body's brake pedal for thyroid function. And when you're stressed or sick, your body converts more T4 into reverse T3, which slows things down. So when we see high levels of reverse T3, that can indicate that your body is in conservation mode, which can be in a response to stress, illness, or even dieting. And then another crucial test, the thyroid antibodies. So this is something that I run on every patient every time, because antibodies like thyroid peroxidase antibody, TPO, or thyroid globulin antibody, TG, they can really reveal if your immune system is attacking your thyroid, which is a really common condition called Hashimoto's thyroiditis. So when we see this early detection of these changes in thyroid antibodies, we can see that happen before we start to see changes in your actual thyroid hormones, and we can start working with that immune system to put a stop to that before it actually causes those changes. Functional medicine also looks at the emphasis of nutrients in thyroid health. So things like selenium, zinc, iron, those are really vital for thyroid hormone production and conversion. And when you have deficiencies in those nutrients, they can significantly impact your thyroid function. So when we test for those and look, then we can make changes in diet or supplementation to really help improve that thyroid health. So as you can see, it's really clear that looking at things from a comprehensive standpoint with thyroid, they can really provide so much more insight than what a simple TSH cannot. They can look at thyroid problems and underlying issues. It's why you really need to take a holistic look at functional medicine approach and treat more than just the symptoms.